people been asking me over the year, if I live in the home on wheel, why do I move south in the winter? Hopefully the road's gonna be good. The road was so bad. We're just gonna grab a coffee and find a place to park and stay put maybe for the rest of the day. I don't know.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a large Earl Grey black?
A large Earl Grey black, okay.
And everything bagel toasted dry.
And everything bagel toasted dry, okay.
With 2 peanut butter on the side, please.
On the side. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good, and you?
Good, thanks.
There you go.
Have an excellent day.
You too.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm parked here. Thank you for cleaning the parking lot. We're gonna stay here for a little bit. So the main reason why I went and grabbed a coffee and a bagel this morning is because I'm a little bit out of groceries. So we're gonna go get some food and we're gonna have to move from this parking lot and try to find a safe place to park. I'm not quite sure where we're gonna park, where we're gonna stay for the rest of the day. It's still snowing pretty hard. Alright, now let's try to find a good place to park for the rest of the day. The reason why I don't move south in the winter is because I love that in Canada we do have 4 seasons. And each season brings its own challenge, but in the same time bring its own beauty. Go for a walk? Go check the snow. The whole tree fell, whole snow of the tree fell on me. Right when I was letting Kelly's out. I don't think she want to come anymore. Kelly, everything is okay. Ugh. Let's go. You should be good. Let's go. The first thing you do in the snow is to pee? All right. Back inside. Kelly is not a huge fan of the snow right now. It's a wet snow and it's falling off the tree. So she's like, what's that? What's that? What's that? But it's gorgeous here. So I decided to go to the campground for my safe place to be. I think it's gonna be alright. They shovel the main road to go to every little camp, which is great. You hear a big cracking. As long as no branch break on top of a van, we should be safe. I also have a shovel and things like this if tomorrow morning is too much snow. Whoa. That was not there when we came. Uh-oh. There's a two-way out of here, but that was not there when we came. The park ranger are around, I saw them, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna take care of that. I'm okay. Hopefully no branch gonna break. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna spend the rest of the day here, obviously. Hopefully no branch or anything fall on us. We should be alright. Hopefully. Alright guys, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 100,000 at the end of the year, so if you're not subscribed yet and you are making it all the way to the end of this video, please give us a thumbs up, and hope you subscribe to as well. That we really appreciate. And obviously gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. I think we're gonna be alright. You wanna give us a little kiss? Little kiss, Kitty? Aww, thank you. See you in the next one, guys.